China, which has lifted most of the restrictions under its strict zero COVID policy, has decided to retire its COVID tracking application even as cases surge in the Asian nation. According to an AFP report, the state-run communications itinerary card, which tracks whether someone has been to a high-risk area based on their phone signal for 7 days, will go offline at 12 a.m. Tuesday after more than 2 years in operation. It was a central part of China's zero COVID policy, with millions of people required to key in their phone numbers to produce its signature green arrow in order to travel between provinces or enter events. China has decided to retire major COVID tracking app days after announcing an end to large-scale lockdowns, mandatory quarantine in central facilities, and a broad relaxation of testing measures. The symbolism of China shutting down its tracking application has prompted residents to take to social media to share screenshots of their last logins. This comes amid a surge in COVID cases in the country. Since the texting measures were relaxed, China has reported fewer fresher cases of COVID, but experts warn that Omicron variant is spreading rapidly across the country. Now, the focus has shifted towards setting up more intensive care facilities and trying to strengthening hospitals. The move to expand hospitals suggests the ruling Communist Party under President Xi Jinping will tolerate more cases without quarantines or shutting down travel or businesses as it winds down its zero-COVID strategy. Officials have been told to keep track of the health of everyone in their area aged 65 and older.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.